The new channel. Hashtag TNC Now.
The views, opinions, and insights expressed in the following shows are those of the host, producers, guests, and viewers. They do not necessarily reflect the position of the channel. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello and welcome to the new channel.
Our passion transforms a community that sees and shares all things new. Hi, I'm Riuel Pindoy.
Hi, I'm Hannah Trespeses and you're watching
The 1% Movement on TNC.
Small Steps.
Big impact. Welcome to the 1% Movement Show.
We're in consistent incremental improvements can lead to significant transformations over time.
So, in today's episode, we will be diving into the topic of quarter life crisis. So, before we begin, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Riuel, an entrepreneur, a unit manager, and a financial coach.
And I'm Hannah. I'm a civil engineer, a contractor, and a career development mentor.
And we help
Ayan.
professionals in building their dream lives.
From getting career clarity to learning life new skills to having the right financial foundation.
And so, Hannah, quick question. And have you ever
Okay.
found yourself na sinasabayan mo sarili mo na, uy, nasa tamang path ba ako? So,
Ayan.
yung
So,
path
I
na
think,
to, ikaw na bahala kung ano nasa isip mo. Mm,
yung una talagang pumasok sa isip ko is career-wise when it comes
career,
to path.
okay.
Kasi, kumbaga, dito sa field natin, ayan, as an engineer, marami talagang mga pwedeng career paths for you. And you would often think na may mga what ifs ka. What if dito na lang ako? What if nag-quit na lang ako? Or what if I take a different path? Where would I be? Kasi especially, nakakita ka ng mga kasabayan mo, di ba, na nasa ibang field, nagbo-boom. Meron namang iba totally nag-shift ng careers nila. So, hindi mo
Yeah.
talaga may iwasang magkaroon ng what ifs, especially at this age. Di ba?
Yeah. So, di mo talaga alam kung ano pwede mangyari in the future. Kaya, very valid yung kung ano man nasa, ano yung nasa isip mo nung tinanong mo yung sarili mo. So, today,
Yeah.
let's break down yung quarter life crisis. So, ano ba ibig sabihin nun? So, crisis, based sa dictionary, it's a turning point of an event. So, either emotionally significant ba ito or very radical yung changes sa isang tao. While si quarter life, ano ibig sabihin quarter life?
Si quarter life naman is 1/4 of your life. Ayan.
Well, depende. 1/4 ng life
Yeah,
ng normal na lifespan na. Baka may
tao,
sunod may
yeah.
pilosopo tayong viewer diyan na, hanggang 40 ko lang gusto, so 10. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, si quarter life crisis means that merong crisis which naturally happens sa people on their 20s to
Yes.
30s, 'di ba? So, ano ngayon yung common na crisis para naman ma-feel yung mga tao, ng mga viewers, ng mga life engineers na kasama natin na okay lang pala 'to nafi-feel ko. So, ano yung ikaw nabanggit mo na kanina, ano yung number 1 na pumasok sa isip mo?
And number 1 on our list, guys, on what are the things that you have to take into account para masabi mo, baka this is it, is having career and financial struggles. So, dito kasi,
Yeah,
guys, I think this is going to be one of the biggest challenges that a young adult would face. Tandem eh. Financial na,
mm,
pati career, 'di ba? Kasi
oo.
number 1 is where you get your finances, is sa income mo, which would come from the career or the work or business or path that you choose from.
Yeah, tapos makikita mo pa nga na alam mo yun, estudyante pa lang kumikita na ng ganito, ganyan-ganyan. Pero ikaw na licensed engineer ka, you're earning, ano 'to, 12 times 10 cube, 'di ba? So, di ka tuloy sure na, "Okey na ba 'tong path ko? Mali ba yung masayang ba yung 4 years or 5 years ko nung college if lilipat
Yes.
ako?" 'Di ba? So, ang daming puwedeng maging doubts dito sa una nating
And
item. Mm,
yeah, and I think kung titingin din tayo sa isang lifespan o ng isang tao, itong age range kasi na 'to na nasa 20s to early 30s nila, this is the time na nagta-transition from, yun nga, from graduating sa school or passing the board exams into the employment world, 'di ba? And then
true.
it takes a lot of pressure sa'tin, 'di ba? I'm sure you've encountered it, our life engineers have encountered it, yung pressure of finding not necessarily the right job, pero magkaroon agad ng trabaho, magkaroon agad ng
Totoo.
steady income, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So, 'di ba, kung ikaw ba as someone na nahihirapan maghanap ng work, 'di ba, gusto mo na agad magkaroon ng isang work. So, they feel
Mm.
na kailangan both ways agad, financially and career-wise stable na sila.
Yeah, lalo na ngayon na may mga kumakalat na hiring, ano 'to, allowed daw ang fresh graduate pero with 2 years experience, 'di
Yes.
ba medyo
Yes,
malabo.
exactly.
Kaya ngayon
And
ikaw ba,
sige.
ikaw with dahil career mentor ka, ikaw ba nahirapan ka ba mismo maghanap ng work or nagustuhan ba yung work mo agad?
Walang choice. Dito sa
Ayun,
work
yun
ko,
nga.
wala akong choice kasi dito ako sa family business namin. Pero ayan, majority or young, life engineers and professionals that really nagra-rant talaga sa akin, they don't land immediately a job na gusto nila. So,
Yeah,
merong misalignment na nangyayari. Maybe because, kinulang sila sa career planning or maybe because they settle in a job na, sige, okay na lang 'to. So, we all
yeah,
have different priorities. Pero yun nga, dito mo na dahil iba yung pino-portray din na success stories online, 'di ba kita mo pabata ng pabata yung mga, tao that can have their house bigla, that can have this source of income. Pero is it realistic to a life engineer na at this age, hindi niya alam, na-encounter niya na pala yung quarter life crisis na sinasabi natin, ayan.
yeah. So, dito naman kasi hindi ka rin sure kung nasaan bang point yung napapanood mo, yung influencer na 'to, itong bata na
Yes.
pakinggan mo or napanood mo. Pero kasi baka naman ikaw yung nasa point na you're still have debts kasi 'di ba kailangan mong itaguyod yung pagka-college mo, so nangutang muna
Yes.
para lang makatapos. So, you're currently comparing yourself towards someone na financially stable na yung magulang. So, or
Yes.
meron kang napapaligiran siya ng different opportunities while ikaw parang eto pa lang kasi hindi ka makapag-aggressive kasi marami pang kailangang i-support, 'di ba? So maraming factors to consider before mo technically sabihin na, "Lugi ba ako? Tama ba 'tong kailangan ba lumipat?"
Yeah.
Before mo sabing na baka mamaya okey naman pala yung trabaho, it's just that you're comparing yourself to someone na, ah, hindi pa wala pa sa experience mo or basta, basta yun na yun.
Ayan. So, kumbaga guys, in summary, it's very normal for someone na nasa 20s to early 30s nila to experience career and financial struggles. Kasi, yun nga, this is the time wherein nagsasabay-sabay siya lahat. It's just a
Yeah,
matter of having the right financial plan, career plan for yourself para you would be guided if this thing will be aligned to your future din naman. Ayan.
yes, tama. So, yun nga, para ano lang, before natin i-end 'tong number 1, we had an episode na tinanong natin ang isa't isa na, "Did you see yourself doing what you're doing now?" 'Di ba? So,
Yeah.
di mo malalaman kung ano talaga yung gusto mo unless you're moving, you're trying different things, and maybe kaya ka nandito sa quarter life crisis na 'to, 'di ba? Crisis, it's a turning point. Baka it's time for you to check around if okay ka ba
Yeah.
talaga dun or not, 'di ba? So, yun lang,
Ayan. Ayan.
yan.
So,
So
let's proceed our next. Ano ba yung isa pang criteria para
ayan,
malaman natin na, uy, mukhang may quarter life crisis na ako, is
ayan.
having relationship challenges.
Yes,
Uy.
yung napapa-sana all, 'di ba? Yung mga napapa-sana all sa mga comments, yung meme na ano yun, nakahiga ta's ano yun, nakangiti ka na naman sa relasyon ng iba, kinikilig ka na naman sa ano ng iba. Kasi madalas natin naririnig yung sana all. Kasi yun nga, it's one of the major challenges natin. So, bakit? Kasi sige, go, Han.
Ayan, kasi usually, kahit siguro nung bata tayo, nag-create na tayo ng timelines for ourselves na by the age of 25, we are already married, we already are starting, napupundar na yung mga goals natin, bahay, sasakyan, and even our family. Pero, well, ilan taon ka na?
20.
20?
Bakit?
Ayan, so ako, 10, gano'n. Hindi,
Ah,
pero
wow.
kidding aside guys, dito mo kasi makikita na parang may pressure din when it comes to relationships. Now, when it comes to relationships, not necessarily romantic relationships lang, but also yung magiging environment mo. Kung sino yung magiging workmates mo, kung sino yung people who will have, ang term ko dun is an outlet to you. Yung may direct
Yeah.
na ano sila sa'yo. Ayan.
Yeah. So itong relationships, it's not just being intimate, but more on
Yeah.
your social friends, your social relationship with the people you
Yes.
have in your college. Kasi nga, ako, grabe, ang ano nga kinakantsawan ako ng mga kaibigan ko na bawat sulok ng school may kinakawayan ako, may kinakamayan ako, or
Hmm.
inaaperan. Pero that was then. That was then.
Yes,
Pero ngayon
yes.
parang yan sobrang pili na lang yung kinakausap,
Yeah.
pili na lang yung ah, ah nakaka-chat, hindi lahat sinasamahan, pero friends pa rin kami lahat. But it's just that
Yeah.
hindi na kaya ng time ko na i-maintain lahat ng high maintenance. So dun yung mapasok na, should I give them up? Should I give my friends up? Or
Yeah.
gawa na ba ako ng bagong connections? Kasi eto align sa career na gusto ko, sa business na gusto ko, eto
Yeah.
yung utak nila, ganyan. So ang dami, ang daming puwedeng i-consider, kaya mapapaisip ka na, friends pa ba kami? 'Di ba, mga tipong ganyan.
Yeah. Yan. Actually, ang ganda
So
nung nasabi mo kasi this is also the time wherein you get to meet a lot of people din. And
hmm,
kumbaga, siyempre, let's say for example, yan, sa relationships, sa we have this pressure na ma-meet agad si the one para masunod yung timeline mo or you will be
hmm,
meeting friends, 'di ba? Pero some of here, 'di ba, nagkakaroon din tayo ng mga mismatch sa friendships na biglang 1 month close kayo and then the following month wala na, break na rin kayo ng
ako
friends
wala
mo.
akong ganyan, ewan ko lang sa'yo.
Ay wala kang ganyan, wala kang ganyan, wala. Pero dito
Eh,
mo
pero
mare-realize
posible,
na yes, na people come and go and
ah,
kumbaga if they've done their purpose in your life, then let it be. Yes, masakit siya kahit may mga friendship na breakups na yun, mas masakit pa nga yun sa pinaka-relationship kasi ano, pero that's life, that's part of it. So, dito mo siya
hmm,
ma-experience sa early 20s mo to your 30s kasi this is the time wherein mga big life events happen to you,
yeah,
talaga. So,
hmm,
biglang nag-iiba ng priorities, iba na ng goals, total shift of events. So, people will have a huge impact to you and may mga aalis, may mga dadating din.
yeah.
Ayan.
Pero that doesn't mean na hindi mo na sila kaibigan or hindi na sila parte
Yes,
ng buhay
yes.
mo. So, you just have to accept that you can't have time for everyone, pero alam mo ngayon kung sino ipa-prioritize mo kasi sila yung
Yeah.
makakatulong sa'yo to grow, 'di ba? Para at least alam mo ngayon kung sino yung bibigyan mo ng time and hindi ka ngayon
Ayan.
feel bad na, sorry,
Yes,
hindi na kayo friends.
exactly.
Yeah,
Ayan.
Ayan.
At the end of the day, syempre gusto natin that we find the relationships that are healthy and we feel the most fulfilled within this. So, kumbaga, if this thing doesn't serve us anymore, maybe it's time to let it go and then find a better or healthier relationship para for you, mas mag-grow ka rin. Ayan.
Yan. So, yun na. So, sa itong si number 2, it doesn't mean about the intimate relationships, pero pati to sa friends
Yes.
niyo. So,
Yeah.
ano to? It acts both ways.
Yes.
And so,
Ayan.
number 3. Number 3 na ba tayo? Number 3.
Yes, number 3.
So, number 3 is, ito, ano to, lalo na sa mga Gen Z millennial, na number 3 is finding a sense of identity. So, ano ba, may purpose ko? Ano bang ano ko? Ano bang kailangan gawin para, yes, malaki sahod, maganda yung career, pero anong silbi ko, di ba? So, yun yung isa sa mga significant struggles din ng mga nasa quarter life crisis kasi nowadays, mas fulfilling naman talaga if you know what's your purpose in life, di ba?
Yes.
And hindi natin alam ngayon kung ano yung sagot. Di ba? Di ba?
Yeah.
Ano yung sagot? Mhm.
And I think dito, ang laking vital role ng social media on ano yung madalas ma-portray ng mga social norms on what's trending, ganyan. So, to those people na masyadong mabilis
Masway.
masindak,
Marupok.
masway, yes, 'di ba? Kumbaga they feel na maybe ito para to sa akin, ganyan. Only to find out na hindi naman pala, 'di ba? So, masyado silang nape-pressure into getting or following that person's timeline or following what's trending pero only to find out in the end na it's not for them. Kaya talagang nagkakaroon ng loss of sense sa identity nila kasi hindi na sila yung ginagawa nila eh. Ginagaya na lang nila yung someone that they idol, someone that they follow. So, kumbaga dito, yun, tama talaga yung sinabi mo kasi mabilis masway yung mga tao kasi they don't have the right plan or hindi clear sa kanila on which path to take talaga.
Yeah. So, ano talaga tayo dito, mahihirapan. Same goes kanina, hindi niyo malalaman ano yung tamang career para sa inyo, hindi niyo malalaman anong tamang relasyon, sino yung dapat kasama niyo,
Yeah,
sino yung dapat
yeah.
kaibigan niyo, and hindi niyo malalaman ano yung purpose niyo if you're not moving. If magpapakahalaman ka, you have to know where, you still have to move even if nakakatamad. Kasi through your actions, dun mo lang malalaman if okay ba 'tong ginagawa ko? Okay ba 'tong
Yeah.
mga kasama ko? Align ba 'to sa gusto ko? Kasi di mo malaman yung
Yeah.
gusto mo hangga't hindi ka nagta-try ng iba't ibang bagay.
Yeah. Alam mo, may napanood ako, parang trailer siya. I forgot what's the title of this movie. Pero si ano siya, si Jody Santa Maria siya, na nagpapaalam
Okay.
sa parents niya na magre-resign na po ako sa work
Okay.
niya.
Oo.
Tapos parang, ang mangyayari, so ano gagawin mo? Magta-travel lang siya. Kasi gusto niya hanapin yung sarili niya. Diba?
Yan.
So, kumbaga, these are the type of people na napuno na in life.
Hmm.
Kasi, kumbaga, hindi na-feed yung identity nila and they need to make this big change na i-let go lahat ng trabaho nila just to find that sense of purpose ulit. So, yun naman yung ayaw
Anong
nating
comment mo dun?
mangyari.
Anong comment mo sa actions ni Jody?
I think yun nga, parang bottom line niya, na parang nakakalungkot, na parang, syempre, pagpapanoorin mo sa movie, nakakatawa siya, 'di ba? Pero kung if we will dig in deeper, bakit kailangan umabot pa tayo sa point na kailangan pang mag-resign or kailangan pang may malaking events na katulad nun for you to undergo. Pero that's really brave thing for her to do. Kasi dun mo na-realize na parang this is the day one for my self-discovery, para malaman ko talaga yung purpose in life. And we're not saying, guys, that it's too late, And we're also not saying na mag-resign kayo, mag-travel kayo. It works different to you. Wala kaming, again, the views and opinions ng mga namin dito does not reflect the show. Pero, kumbaga, what works for her will work for her. 'Di ba? What works for me may not work for you. So, kumbaga, gaya nga ng sabi mo, it wouldn't happen kung hindi ka kikilos. Ayan. Ikaw,
Pero
anong comment mo doon?
napanood mo ba siya? Yung movie o yung trailer lang?
Trailer lang siya eh. Trailer lang
So,
alam ko
di
eh.
ko kasi rin alam ano yung background ni Jody doon para masabi
Yeah.
niya yun. Kasi based sa reaction ng magulang, walang pera si Jody. So, parang bakit ka ngayon magre-resign? Mayaman ka ba para gawin mo 'tong actions mo na
Yeah.
ito?
Yeah.
Kaya kumbaga yoong actions niya is
Impulsive.
hindi commendable, hindi commendable.
Yeah.
If ikaw ay isang breadwinner or ikaw ay isang may
Yeah.
sinusustentuhan, if ikaw ay wala pang emergency fund or kumbaga that kind of action is puwede lang kapag stable ka na
May pera.
financially na kaya mo siyang gawin for 1 month to 6 months without working kasi capable ka. But if you're
Yeah.
not capable, ah, 'wag mong panoorin si Jody hindi ko alam ano ba yung palabas na
Mm.
yun. So, kumbaga ano lang, yung actions niya is, hindi lahat puwede, 'no.
Yeah.
So, siyempre you still have to be logical, not too emotional when you're taking actions or decisions that big if you're
Yeah.
not yet capable, if you're not yet stable. Pero yun nga,
Ayan.
maganda pa rin yung point na bago dumating sa point na yun na you're bursting out, na pumutok ka na, eh,
Yeah.
agapan mo na siya.
So, you're gonna
So
see signs talaga eh. Yung
hmm,
mga na-discuss natin kanina, lalabas yan eh. So,
yeah,
siguro ito na yung pinaka mas grabe na biglang kine-question mo na, "What's my purpose?" Parang,
hmm.
kailangan mo ng mag-dig in
Ano yan,
deeper.
malaki nga sahod, wala ka naman parang naisip mo tuloy, "Ano bang ginagawa ko? Ano bang purpose nito?" 'Di ba? So,
Yeah.
mas malala, maliit na nga yung sahod, yun pala yung purpose mo, ah, mas masakit yun. Pero well,
Yeah.
hindi natin yun kontrolado, kaya ang kontrolado mo is how you move. You have
Mm.
to take actions pa rin, even if wala pa masyadong directions.
Yeah.
And dun mo malalaman kung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. Which leads to 'di ba, ang dami ng struggles and all, ganyan. Which leads to our number 4, which is yung mental health struggles na. So,
Yeah.
'di ba nagpatong-patong na, eh, career mo nagguluhan, relasyon mo nakipag-break na kasi more than 25 ka na, wala pa yung timeline na binigay mo kay partner wala pa rin, 'di pa rin kaya. Tapos yung identity mo nahihirapan ka na. So, nagpatong-patong na talaga 'yan. And nowadays nagiging acceptable na somehow si mental health struggles.
So, yun nga, just like you said, dahil there's this pressure and stress and uncertainty and self-doubt na nagpatong-patong na, 'di ba? Kahit nga yung mga past traumas mo, yung mga unresolved na issues, pag nagsabay-sabay siya, it can really take a toll to your mental health.
Hmm,
Kaya again, 'di ba, we really suggest for our life engineers, mga young professionals to really get the right support and resources and consult the professional na they need para ma-manage tong mga mental health struggles. Kasi kumbaga, ang maganda naman sa panahon natin ngayon is nabe-break na somehow, 'di ba, yung stigma, pero there's still people na in denial pa or kumbaga nagse-self-diagnose. So kumbaga, I really suggest for you to get the right tools and talk to the right people. Ayun.
yeah. So kung hindi kaya, yun nga, pa-check na. Tawag
Mm.
dun, we have one friend, 'di ba, na he is a mental health advocate and
Yeah.
he is parang nung una self-diagnosed and then nagpa-diagnose na siya. Pero with that right kind of support, very functional siya, 'di ba? Nag-functioning well
Yeah.
siya in his career, doing other part-time jobs. and yet helps other people na to be functioning well din in life. And
Yeah.
nagiging mentor pa nga siya, 'di ba? So, 'di mo talaga ano,
Yeah.
eh, hangga't hindi mo siya ina-accept na it's a possible thing, mahirapan kang gumalaw lalo, kaka-deny mo dito.
Yeah, and I really commend, ayan, yung life engineer natin. Ayan, si Steven, actually, is really vocal about his case
Case,
naman na he has bipolar disorder, tapos may mga na-diagnose naman siya, which is yun nga, manageable na. So, kumbaga, speak up talaga. And if you know someone, 'di ba, be there para to be a support and be empathic. Kumbaga, it starts
yeah.
with us din kasi if we're building an environment na hindi pa rin natin yung tanggap, then it's not giving its purpose din talaga. Ayan.
Yeah, agree. So, ayan 'no. So, ano ulit yan, 4. So, number 1 is career and financial struggles natin. Yan yung number
Ayan,
1 natin.
number two is relationship challenges.
Yeah, sana
Number
all.
three is
And number
finding a
3,
sense of identity. And number
ayan,
four is mental health struggles.
'di ba? Pero, ayan, 'di ba, ang dami namin nabanggit. It's, siguro you find yourself na, "Oo nga 'no, baka nando'n ako." Pero at the end of the day, ano ba yung common? Ano ba yung how do we deal with this kasi?
Yeah.
So, for me, with me, ano ba? So, para sa akin, you just have to prioritize yourself. Kasi
Yeah.
hindi mo mabibigay, or di mo mahanap yung sarili mo if hindi mo unahin yung sarili mo. Hindi mo mahahanap yung
Yeah.
tamang career para sa'yo, yung relationship, 'di ba, na habang nagpapanggap ka, hindi mo alam, hindi mo yan madi-discover hangga't hindi mo inuuna yung sarili mo. And number 2, ano yung sa'yo naman? Ano ang
With
iyong takeaway?
me is to know pa rin what is your VIPs or your
Okey,
values, interests, personality, and skills. Kasi
yeah.
dito magtutugma lahat eh. If you find a
Mm,
company that is aligned with your VIPs, and then you will be motivated, 'di ba? Hindi ka magkakaroon ng issue na hahanapin yung purpose mo in life kasi in the start aligned na siya. And at the
yeah.
same time, you're doing what you love, and kung well compensated ka, hindi ka magkakaroon ng problem financially. And when
Hmm,
you have the right environment with you, you won't have any relation. Hindi naman sa hindi magkakaroon ng relationship problems, hindi naman ano yun, it's normal for you to have problems. Pero yung challenges, ma-overcome mo na siya kasi same na kayo ng values, aligned na yung mga interests nyo, and
mm.
skills are all on point naman.
Yeah, so you have to prioritize yourself and should know your VIPs. And once na plakado na yun, ay sulat mo na yung ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. If you find yourself struggling with the 4 na sinabi namin kanina, balik ka lang dun sa list mo, balik ka lang dun sa iyong identity, your VIPs,
Yes.
para malaman mo na worth it bang mag-struggle or pwede namang hindi kasi
Yeah.
hindi na pala ito align sa gusto. Ayan,
Yeah.
so that's it. Any gusto mo pang dagdag?
Siguro ano, na this is the time for those na nasa 20s nila. 'Di ba? Kasi yun yung pinaka ano natin eh, pinakatanong natin at the start of this session kung is it okay or is it normal to struggle in your 20s to early 30s? And the answer is yes, it's normal.
Yeah.
Pero, 'di ba, you just need to find the right people that will mentor you and guide you, and don't be scared to explore all things that may work for you, and then let go of the things that are no longer serving its purpose. Ayan.
Yeah, tama. So, if you find this episode inspiring or sa tingin mo ba someone in your circle is, makikinabang sa episode na 'to,
Yes.
please share. Please like, share, and tag your friends para at least hindi lang ikaw na yung kinabang and marami tayong nakikinabang dito. Kasi We're helping one life engineer at a time. So follow us on our social media. Go, Hannah.
I'm Engineer Hannah on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
And I'm your life engineer in Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And feel free to join our free online community. Anong community natin?
The Life Engineers Community Facebook group, wherein we share more things like this about personal development, life skills, and financial literacy. And ayan, so we're also gonna take this opportunity and time for you guys to also support us on our upcoming outreach campaign. So isa to sa mga ano talaga namin, things that we do inside the community. We're having our next, and this is actually our third outreach program, and our beneficiary is the Passion Project in Bulacan. So, maganda-ganda to kasi we've been doing outreach programs before, pero ngayon, ang ating mga beneficiaries yung ating mga fur babies, ayan, and dogs and cats na nandun sa shelter nila. So, feel free to show your support by donating any amount. Ayan, dito sa ating mga QR codes, ipa-flash. Ayan. Ayan. You can, ayan, any amount will do. And actually, yung proceeds nito will be used to buy yung mga needs ng mga dogs and cats nito. Ayan, mga fur babies natin katulad ng mga dog foods, mga cages, cleaning supplies. So, your donation will really go the long way. Our outreach is happening on November 26. Kaya, thank you again, PNC, for your support with us on this. And, yeah, looking forward sa mga matutulungan natin. So, be a life engineer and save our
stray fur friends. Yeah. So remember, guys, you are the engineer of your life.
And be 1% better every day. See you guys again next week for our next episode. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Ang 40D, tumutulong patibayin ng vital organs, iwas sakit sa puso at iba pang sakit.
Ang ubo, mabilis lumala. Kaya dapat agapan. Dapat New Solmux Advanced Syrup. May 2 times zinc para ang ubo, imbis na lumala, tulungang mabilis mawala. New Solmux Advanced Syrup.
Unilab yan.